Right, I've turned the metal over, so I'm going to now start cutting the underside of the carburettor part. That's the two middle pockets done. The next thing will be a bigger pocket around the outside of that, going down a bit deeper than that to leave a spigot in the middle. That's the insides done. The next thing I got to do, I'll do the 4 holes in each one, and then there's a little slot here before I do the outside profile. I've done the center drills. Now I'm going to put a 4mm drill there. Right, I've changed a bit now, and there's going to be 2 little channels there and there. Right, I've changed a bit back to the 6mm. Now all I've got to do is do the profiles. Right, that's both of the profiles done. Now all I've got to do, cut the tabs, take them out, clean them up and give them a polish up. Right, there we have 2 carburettor slide covers. I've drawn around the original one, and I've got this one lined up on there, and they're pretty good.